Bigay lang to sa amin ni Kuya. At ito naman yung dati kong maleta pag ako'y nasa palaro. Ayan, ako'y nagsadya talaga ng aking maleta.
Here comes the sun,
Ayan.
here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
Siyempre, dapat laging nagmi-meeting. Tapos kailangan magpalagay ng pilik. Tama naman.
Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun,
Gamit ko yan, ma.
here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Dahil ito naman sa mother. Tama naman yung damit ko, kasya sa kanya.
Pag Maynila ako, ayaw mo na.
Ay, gawa nga lang din na sa akin kasya ay.
shades.
Ay, oh. May sisil. Huwag ka lang. Chill. Mami. Keep quiet, mom.
Nakita sa Kinlin eh.
Sabaw. Look. Ano, may sabit na ng tawal. Kwang-kwang. Shout out. Tuwa. Oh. Tulog si Mami, oh. Tamo. Kulubong na kulubong. Time na kami ay na traffic. Yan. Kami kaya nakain ang itlog. Panggastos mo doon! Panggastos mo! Yan. Oh, gastusin mo yan sa ano ha? Sa Boracay. Kay Nini.
Sabihin naman pag nakakita niya, marami na akong pera. Ang lahat ay nagkagaya.
Ay, hawal yung shades mo ha?
Ay, abala sa paggagayak. Hindi nila maintindihan ang kanilang dadalahin at igagayak sa baleta. Lagay, alis. Lagay, alis. Lalo na si Maria Apple at Maria Lerpa. Nung bang isang linggo nagagayak, hindi maintindihan ang lalagay sa maleta. Hanggang kagabi nagagayak. Excited. Ano na yan? Hanggang ngayon nagagayak ka pa rin. Ano ka na, Maria Lerpa?
2 a.m. ako nagising, guys. Kasi hindi na ako makakatulog. Asyahan. Hi guys. Hi to my vlog, guys. Pogi.
Lamig ng mukha mo.
Ikaw ano mo? Alis na kami. Hi baby. Hi baby. Hello. Are you ready? We're going to Clark Park and Fly. Hey boss. Hey boss. Peace. Ikot nga ni, ito nga ni.
Tawag ko sa inyo ate.
Ito na kami.
Ikaw ba yun? Sir na ito, sir.
Sige. Happy birthday. Uy. Uy. Happy birthday.
Feels so new. Every moment just me
Ay, ipapark fly na. Yeah. Basta ako, yung anak ko na ito. Yan, Ate Jessie, hi to my vlog.
in your eyes. I see the light.
Hey, baby!
Laugh and dance through the night.
Hi!
Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wait, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you, I can go so far.
Alin?
Every day shining bright.
Hello, mga isa na
In your eyes, I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you, love with you. Every moment just me and you. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wait, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you, I can go so far. Every day shining bright. In your eyes, I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you,
Palaman mo na yun.
love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you, love with
o ng eroplano. Hindi dapat ilagay ang mga ito sa overhead compartment. Sa halip, maaari itong itago sa seat pocket o di kaya ilagay sa loob ng inyong bag sa ilalim ng upuan sa harapan ninyo.
love with you.
So 225 pounds for Katiklan, Boracay. For information, flight time to Katiklan will take us 45 minutes. Climb the assigned cruise level of 25,000. And we'll be covering a total track distance of 210 aeronautical miles. General heading from Manila will be heading south towards Katiklan, and our en-route weather is forecasted to be okay. However, I still recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times and under seated for your own safety.
Where the seasons flow, we met where the stars take their flight.
And bringing of life
Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease.
tayo po ay
Heartbeats
napag
sink into
Mangyari lamang na bumalik ka sa mga
you
upuan.
and I,
Ituwid ang mga sandalan.
wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving.
me po.
Wild and free, even in dark skies. You'll ride your wings through every storm. Ease my pain.
Kay Chris ba to? Kay Chris to? Kay Chris?
This love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling wind.
Balik mo. Balik mo.
The smell of you and I.
Lang to. Papanood ko lang. Papanood ko lamang to sa TikTok. Ate Levy. Aray, tanggala. Ano to? Ano? Marin? Hi. How's the Mrs. Decembrana? Yes.
Ngayon? Oh, first time ko yun.
Your smile
May lubak mo. Parang ganito.
like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the sea
Yan, hindi ako nagdasal nun.
We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats into this melody. You and I forever.
Sa TikTok. Daming tao. Okay, diyan kami sasakay sa isa sa ganyan. To Boracay. Yay, ma. Mami, ang mga gamit, ma. Baka may malaglag.
Collide like waves on the shore.
Mom.
Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds colors.
Okay, dito na kami.
Love's where our sight. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like
Ng lead jacket. Kami pupunta. Silo ka. Na kami bababa. Okay, hindi na ako magbablog ulit kasi malaglag ang aking phone. Ate Levy. Ate Levy, where are you? Ate Levy. Dito na kami sa Boracay. Sasakay ulit para sa hotel. Ate Levy. Sila pag DIY. Tita. Ay, baby, daan ka dyan.
we sink into this melody.
Na,
You and I forever.
kapatid mo ha. Tatay ng goat. Oh, pagod na si Ate Jenny. Kung na lang kami nito kay Ate Levy para doon sa Ate Levy na binubuka ni Cherry para libre sakay na sa van, sa port, at saka sa tricycle ulit papuntang hotel. Tapos sa pag-uwi, ganun din. Aklan pala.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their
Ayan nga, yun dito ngayon sa parting ito, mami. Sa walls nakikita natin sa ano.
Ay, tayo ay lalakas na ng iskinita.
Wala na kami sa aming hotel.
hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet.
kami.
You and I for
Ano daw, baby? Gutom ka na? Are you hungry? Ate, baka maganda.
you ease my pain.
Tayo.
Rhythm of heart,
Tayo, kumita yung bil-bil mo.
no need to pretend this love's
Dapat ka sa maleta mo.
whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Won't make an ocean rhythm with ease.
Sige, sigarilyo, sigarilyo.
Sink into this melody.
Sigarilyo, sigarilyo na.
You and I,
Ay, batang, halay ka na.
wild and
Ang mga susi. Yeah? 301? Cherry bang daw, cherry. Tayo na.
For watching. Thank you, Jesus. Safe kaming nakarating sa Boracay. Thank you for watching part 1. Boracay part 1. God bless us all.
Dito yung kay na cherry to 01. Ano, maganda?
Maganda yung room nila. Hindi ko alam.
Wow, may fish. Bagay na bagay sa mga kids.
Mas maganda pag pinagdikit, meng.